Good girl. Hello YouTube world. So we're at WERN Valley doing our Brew City NAVHDA holiday hunt. There's Keith.
All right.
Penny, here. Whoa. Whoa.
Yeah, I think you got something. I heard something. No bird. Right here. Oh, goddamn. Here.
Good girl. Bring it to Papa. It's a nice bird.
Whoa. Here. Here. Chase. Chase. Here. Come on.
Go on, give it to Papa.
Here. Chase. Come on. Come on.
Go on.
Come on. Come on. I called you for you. Full field.
Well, I was glad I was able to call her off of that.
Yeah. I went to Lone Oak yesterday. That. There was at least 4 of them that wouldn't fly. Was it wet? Oh,
We got a point.
point again. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
She's looking back towards you guys.
Yeah.
Smokey's looking there.
Okay.
I'm gonna flush it for you guys, okay?
Just
Yeah, I'll push it that way.
Go ahead, Ben. No, you can go. You can get it.
Whoa.
Chase. Whoa. Go ahead, Ben.
Nice shot, Ben. Good girl, Penny. Good girl.
Hey, look. Heel. Heel.
That was awesome.
Yeah,
Good.
You know, unless you didn't see him.
Yeah?
Chip, drop. Here, here.
Good girl. Good girl.
This is where he got the hen right here.
Okay.
Yeah, that wouldn't fly.
It wouldn't fly, I mean.
Maybe this is old scent because Sherpa's on the ground. Chase is on the ground.
Yeah. But she lost one over here, but it might have been the one there. I don't know.
Chase is on point.
There. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Careful, whoa.
Whoa, whoa.
Whoa. Whoa.
Whoa, whoa.
Whoa.
Penny confirmed. Whoa, whoa.
Who wants it?
Rick, you lead one.
Okay.
Behind you.
Chase, here. Whoa, Chase, leave it. Leave it. Come on. Smoke. Here. Here.
Good girl. Come here. Come on. Respect the shooter. Thanks, buddy.
I have a little piece. Do they do combine some of the heads for the next year? I had somebody. Oh, you got like you too.
Got one there, maybe? Yeah, she's kind of. I think Sherpa's got one here.
Yeah, that looks great.
Ben,
Whoa.
just move up just a little bit.
Come on,
I'll
guys.
walk through.
Chase. Whoa. Chase. Penny, come on.
Walk up that one a little bit.
Hey.
Oh, no. Whoa. Yep, there's a big two right there.
Whoa.
Chase. Chase. There.
Whoa. Whoa.
Here. Oh, number. Whoa.
Damn.
Here.
Barrel selector. Halfway in between.
That's not your bird.
Is he part Labrador?
Yeah, no shit.
Drop.
You trying to say he's a meathead?
No, I'm trying to say he's a retriever.
Sherpa, no.
Come on.
Whoa. Whoa.
No, whoa. Good girl, whoa. Yeah, I'm underneath there.
There it goes, rooster.
No!
Two.
Alright, get the first one, forget it. You got one, two more birds out for sure? There's one here. Get over here. Come on, get over here. Over here, over here. Good girl. Smoke that. Whoa! Run over, Rick. Go, go, go. Stay here. Behind, please. Go.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Smoke. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
That hand I have to face around.
Thank you, Ben.
Oh, yeah. Here. Here. Smokey, good boy.
Daddy got four so far. Daddy got four.
Thank you, thank you.
What's this at?
Daddy.
Okay, come on, Kyle.
So Keith needs one.
Okay. Well, hopefully we get more than that.
Because I'm happy with what I got, minus that rooster that...
Right here, Rick. Rick.
Keith.
Smoke.
Penny, whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
No, your daughter. Call your daughter. Hey, don't go. You, no, just watch.
Whoa. Whoa.
Got it already. Sharp up.
Penny, here. Come on.
Come on, Chase.
Good girl. Come on, good girl.
Chase.
Come on.
Chase.
Come on.
Surf my hair.
One together, him out of it.
Come here. Here,
Almost walked past that one.
that was all of them we had to get, I think. Come on. Face drop. I think there's more in the field.
Drop.
This running, you know him, he don't care.
She's on point.
Okay, maybe that's it. Definitely a beeline to where it came from. She's got one on the ground there.
Come on, fetch it up. Fetch it up. Come on, fetch it up.
Look at her. She's excited. That's not the one you...
That's not the rooster.
That's not the rooster.
There's a hand.
Here!
Yeah. Smokey got it. Yeah.
Good girl, Penny. Good girl.
Yeah, they're running like nuts here.
That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Yes.
Find the rooster.
The way it would hold, she'd lock, it'd move.
Yeah, she was nuts when she came out of here. She was like,
Yeah.
I know it's here. I know it's here.
I'll take 2 hens over 1 rooster. Although that was a nice rooster.
That one had brain damage. She was coming right at us.
I know. I'm really surprised I didn't take its head off.
Hey, you want to get to it?
Yeah.
It was flying sideways.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.